Hey friends, a lot of users wish to know what is the update orchestrator service in Windows. So let me show you the service before anything else. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the U section because this list is in alphabetical order and you'll find the update orchestrator service. And then you can double click on it to open its properties. There's something says that if stopped, your device will not be able to download and install the latest update. So do not uninstall this. Make sure that it is always started. But here's the thing, you do not need to start it. Why? Because this is managed by the remote procedure call service. Okay, so it is managed by the remote procedure call service, and you can neither start nor stop the remote procedure call service. So this also means that you cannot impact the update orchestrator service. So what does the update orchestrator service do? When you try disabling Windows updates, it serves as a backup. And even if you restart your computer, it will automatically restart all the services and will make sure that Windows is updated. Rather, you may notice that my system keeps on updating, but my Windows update service might actually be stopped. See, it is stopped. It has a start symbol here, not a restart. It has a start symbol here. But if you right click here, select settings, go to Windows update, you'll notice that it has been updated recently. So it is mainly the update orchestrator service which is important in this regard, and you cannot stop it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.